back to Nduta's kitchen. Today we are going to be making a snack made of chapati, eggs and vegetables. What we will need is a nicely ripe tomato, 1 green bell pepper, half a courgette and a little piece of eggplant and some eggs and chapati. So I'm going to start beating my egg. Here is where I'm going to add my salt, just a little bit of salt. If you like, you can add some black pepper. If you like, some people like cinnamon in their egg, so you can add your cinnamon there also. And then I'm going to beat my egg so that I can get ready to put it in my hot pan. So you can have this snack for breakfast, as a lunch, or even supper if you're not looking to have anything heavy. So my pan is ready now. I've just put my egg and I've let it cook on that side, and I'm going to turn it to let it cook on the other side. And my egg is done. Now we can start on our vegetables. I've just added my vegetables to the same pan that had our eggs, just so I can use all the remaining oil from our eggs to cook our vegetables. So our vegetables are starting to get nice and soft, and I'm just going to let them cook so they can remove all the juices, the nice juices from our tomatoes, our bell pepper and our eggplant, because we will need the juices to be absorbed by our eggs. So I'm just going to add my salt right here. You can add whatever spices you like so that they can cook together with our vegetables. My vegetables are nice and soft. My juices are on my pan. I'm just going to place my egg on top of my vegetables and cover it with my vegetables just so that it can absorb all the flavors on my pan. So just give your egg some time. Let it absorb all those juices before you can finally place your chapati. So I'm just pressing my chapati onto my pan so that it can absorb all the flavors from my pan. So the mistakes that I have made when making this snack is putting so much salt and so much oil. Remember, your chapati has some salt, your eggs have some salt, so when you're putting salt on your vegetables, put as little as you can, and same goes for oil. This is how it's turned out, guys. My chapati has some nice sauce and my egg has some nice flavor from my vegetables. Please try this quick and tasty snack and tell me how it goes in my comments below. Until next time, bye.